What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and in today's video you're gonna find out that I mess up by installing this battery powered chute blocker on a TORO Revolution GrandStand. Did I mess up? Find out. What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Just finished my route and doing a little bit of cleanup here and there, getting things together for tomorrow. But what I wanted to make a video real quick, guys, is on the TORO GrandStand Revolution, mainly the green guard chute blocker. But for you guys that are not familiar, this is a TORO GrandStand Revolution mower. It is a 48-inch mower and it is fully electric. So it has a warranty. I want to say, and don't quote me, is like a 1,200 hours or 5 years or something to that effect. But again, I'll put it in the right here in the bottom so you guys can see it. But my issue was I service a lot of residential properties, high-end residential properties, and whether it's high-end or not, your goal is to not throw grass and debris into the plant beds, or sometimes you have those small areas where you have to minimize your debris going, i.e. into people's cars or whatever the case might be. If you're mowing, guys, I would greatly advise you, and not because I'm trying to sell you a chute blocker, but it's all about minimizing your liability, because again, you're a business and hopefully you have insurance, right? Yeah, definitely. So my issue was that this is a fully electric mower, and I personally didn't want to mess around with anything in there. I didn't want to open anything up and mess around and I don't know, mess up my warranty, right? Because this thing is pricey. So I reached out to the guys at Green Guard Chute Blocker, Jeremiah, the owner, and I told him my issue, and he said, well, Johnny, we make a battery system for those guys that have or want a chute blocker but have those mowers where the old walk behind, and I don't know if they still make them, but the ones that you pull to start, you don't basically have a battery on them. So guys that want this fully automated, and for you guys that are not familiar with what I'm talking about, here is the switch, and basically you can open it and you can close it, right? Again, real simple, easy. And they also make a foot pedal that I use. Let me show you real quick. On the zero turn, this you hit it with your feet and you open them up, and all my mowers have them, but just wanted to show you guys real quick. You can easily, I think, and it's, hold on, let me move this quick. I'm sure you can put a foot pedal right here because it has a magnet. And now that I'm looking at this, something to think about, right? You can put it right here, and when you're mowing, basically, you open and you close it, open and you close it, without having to utilize this. But I'm so used to using this, maybe I'll do it just to try it out. But yeah, again, I didn't want to open anything in there and kind of mess around with electronics and all that good stuff. It's a pretty pricey mower, and but here's the solution. Now, installing this is pretty simple, right? Let me go ahead and open it up for you. Now, the guys at Green Guard Chute Blocker make this plate right here, right? and you have to purchase this separate. And I'm sure that they make it for different mowers, but what this does is minimize you having to drill into your mower deck. They also give you an option to use magnets. And with a magnet, hold on for a second. Do I have one with a magnet? Yeah, this one. Hope you can see it. It has some magnets right there, and yeah, you can just pop it off and put it back on. So it gives you two options that you can, well, three options of installation. So you can utilize the magnets, you can drill into your mower deck, or just talk to the guys at GrandStand Chute Blocker and see if they can give you, or do they fabricate a plate for your specific mower. All right, and again, like I said before, guys, Jeremiah, man, he's a pretty solid guy, and he'll definitely assist you. Okay, and they stand behind their products. As a matter of fact, I've had a lot of people say, man, you know, without knowing the product or even knowing my channel, oh, that thing is going to break within a week, and then you're going to be, you know, sucking wind. Guys, I've had them on my mowers for the past 3+ years, probably 4+ years, and I've never ever had an issue with a motor actually going bad. My personal review, my personal opinion, never had an issue with anything with the Chute Blocker, never. Okay, and if you ever have an issue, I'm sure Jeremiah will definitely take care of you. Not sure how long this thing is warranted for, but I want to say a year or so, or 2 years. But it is what it is. Go to GrandStand.com and check them out. But yeah, so now the plate, all you have to do is install a plate on your existing boat. You know, you take your flap off and install it right here. You don't have to drill or anything. And then you take your motorized chute blocker, and this is the HD chute blocker, and just install it on top, and you know, put it in there. Now, what I did, this wiring is so easy, guys. It goes from, you know, I fish it through in here, all through here, and I clamped it down with some, you know, little fasteners. And let me close this down, and came here, had my deck all the way down. That's why I have all this excessive, right? Because when my deck is all the way down, I want to make sure that I have enough wire to reach all the way down. And what I personally did, guys, is this opens right here, bam, and here's the motor. I mean the battery, sorry. Here's the battery. As you can see, it has magnets right here. You can definitely take it off, but it's so freaking strong that I can't do it with one hand. And it comes with a fuse, so you don't have to worry about, you know, anything else. And if you can see, it is 100% away from any wire. I am not tapping into any electronics, any wire in this system, nothing. And this is just what I did was bunch it up and kind of tie it down, because the wire is pretty long, and I didn't want to cut and splice anything, because I wasn't sure, you know, if it wasn't going to work here, whatever the case may be. I was just trying it out. See, it has fuses and everything, so you shouldn't have no issues, guys. This thing is secured. I've been using it for the past week and no issues. Like I said before, when I close it down, it doesn't close anything, doesn't mess with anything. Now, I was told that this is rechargeable, and I will get with Jeremiah to find out exactly how you recharge this battery, because again, I was so excited to just have the system installed that I didn't check to see. But I've been using it for the past week, and you know, the battery's still working, so I have no issues with it. But yeah, there you go, guys. The GrandStand Chute Blocker comes with its own battery power system, so you can easily take this off and install it in your other mowers or whatever the case might be. You know, if you have more than one mower, and you know, you can utilize the magnets and just take it on, take it off, or you can also utilize the foot pedal. And I just found something out just by talking to you guys. Utilize the foot pedal to install the chute blocker, and like I said before, guys, it's it works like a charm, man. I have no issues when I'm up here and I'm doing my thing, and just, you know, open it when I need it and close it when I need it. Simple as that, right? All right, guys, if you want to know more about the TORO Revolution, I have a lot of videos in my video library in regards to the TORO Revolution, and how many properties I get mowed with one charge. How long does the charge last me? I mean, I'll tell you, the charge lasts a whole week. Okay, I'm mowing in between 10 and 14 properties a day, and I only charge once a week. I'm getting in between 60 and 65 properties per charge, and the only reason I say that, guys, is because it has 10 clicks, 10 bars of power, and when it gets to the 1 bar of power, I usually just stop and you know, charge it overnight. But by that time it's you know, Friday, so I have nothing to worry about. Okay, guys, let me know if you have any questions in regards to the Green Guard chute blocker, and I will put a code for you. Blades 10. Blades 10 is your code. It will give you 10% off. Yeah, leave your question in the comment section and let me know what you think. All right, guys, have a blessed one. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. This one was on the fly, guys. See you on the next one. Pop smoke. Peace.